Solving for variables will require us to transpose and to move variables around in our formula. In this case here, we're trying to solve for c. The first thing we're going to want to do is get rid of these fractions, a times b over c, d times e over f. Those don't work for us, so in order to do that, what we're going to do is cross multiply. So a times b times f gives us one side of the equation because we are cross multiplying. D times e times c gives us the other side, d times e times c. So now we've gotten rid of the fractions, which makes it a bit easier to work with. Because we're trying to solve for c, variable c, we need to get the d and the e out of there. Now, because we are multiplying d times e, in order for us to get rid of them, we have to divide the d and the e out. Whatever you do to one side of an equation, you must do to another side, the other side. So if we divide out d and e on this side, we must divide out d and e on this side as well. And by doing that, d and e cancel out on this side. Therefore, c is equal to a times b times f divided by d times e, or de. You could also go ahead and flip that around to say that c is equal to a times b times f divided by de.